Welcome to my classroom. In this video, we are going to talk about the property of association or the associative property. So basically, associative property holds true for addition and multiplication only. And the word that comes to our mind when we think about associative property is association. So we'll start with the basic definition of the property. So association basically means regrouping with new people. Now, what does it mean in number sense of form? Let us say we have three numbers. I'll take different shapes here. Heart shape. I wanted to try to draw the heart shape. So circle, heart shape, and triangle, let us say. So we have three numbers here. First, circle and the heart shape are going to be associating together. And then the triangle will be associated later after we find the sum of these two. Or another way to associate them is I'll have the circle first, and then the heart and triangle will be associated. And then there could be another way you may think, well, I'll have the heart shape outside and I'll have circle and triangle associated together. So in all of these three ways, students, our answer will be the same. If I multiply them or add them in these three different ways, our answer will always be the same. So that is basically our property here. So what does it look like in math formulas where we'll have tons of variables going? So we'll have a plus b plus c. Now b plus c are associating together will be same as when a and b are associating together in one parentheses and c comes to be added later. So these answers will be same no matter what. How does it look like in multiplication? Somewhat similar. B plus C, we'll have B times C here. So here I'm doing multiplying B and C first and then timesing by A. And here I'm going to have A times B. And then I'm going to times C later. So I hope I made some sense about the property. On the next page, I'm going to go ahead and share with you some examples so that it's crystal clear to you. So let me go ahead and clear this page altogether. All right, so now on this page, we are going to take a look at an example. Let me take A is 2, B is 3, and C is 4. Very simple examples to begin with. So our addition is going to be A plus B plus C. And let us check if this is even true or not. A plus B, and then C comes to be added later. So I'm going to plug in the value of A, B, C here. A is 2 plus B plus C, which is 3 plus 4. And this is 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. Now we got the answer for the left hand side as 9 here. Let us see what happens on the right hand side. On the right hand side, I still have the same numbers. I'm just associating them differently. 2 plus 3 plus C is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. So as you can see here that 9 is equal to 9, LHS equals RHS, and they are the same. So actually associative property holds true for addition. All right, on the next page, I'm going to share with you an example for multiplication. Let me clear this off. It's going to be gone soon. There it flies. Okay. Next up, we have example for multiplication where A is 2, same numbers, B is 3, C is 4. So how do we set it up first? A times B times C equals A times B times C. And if you remember PEMDAS, we'll first have to do parentheses, but let us first set it up how it looks like. So A is 2 times B times C, which is 3 times 4, equals A times B, which is 2 times 3, times C comes later, which is 4. So 2 times 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 2 is 24. This is what I got on my left-hand side number. Now let us try right-hand side. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is also 24. So it is my left-hand side is same as right-hand side. So yes, associative property holds true for multiplication as well. And I hope you agree with me that it will not hold true for subtraction and division. Why? Because 3 minus 4 is not same as 4 minus 3. So in subtraction, the order does matter. So I hope I made some sense with this video. Basically, the summary of this video is going to be that associative property, you have to remember the word association, or they are grouping differently. And basically, the numbers group differently. It only holds true for add and multiply. And no matter if you group them differently, the final answer will still be the same. So that is our summary. And thank you so much for taking your time and watching the videos and studying for your math. Have a great one. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.